This Indian man has grown rice on his head. To make sure the rice grows better, he has developed the habit of sleeping while sitting up. He can feel when the rice needs water by touching his scalp. When his scalp feels dry, he waters his head, leading to a bountiful growth of rice. At harvest time, he gathers the rice to make a delicious meal and then replants it, continuing this cycle for decades. Some people might think what he does is silly, but he says his head represents vitality and energy that regular folks might not get. When a reporter wanted to look under his turban, the man agreed. They saw that the roots of the rice were intertwined with his hair, and it didn't bother him. Perhaps this is his way of spiritual practice. Some people were really interested in the rice on his head and offered him money for it. This makes the man upset because he sees it as disrespectful. The man agreed to the interview because he really wanted everyone to know that it's possible to grow rice on your head. And at the same time, he hoped to inspire others to develop strong physiques similar to his own.